your ass. I wish you would. You're gonna have bullet holes all in your body.
On June 15th, 2025, Palm Beach County deputies responded to a domestic disturbance involving a woman who had violated a court-ordered no-contact directive within 4 hours of her release.
Don't give a
It's a taser.
Yeah. What do you mean? Keep talking about I'm green. I'ma show you how green I am. It don't matter. I'ma show you. You next. It don't matter. It don't matter. It don't matter. I don't give a what you're not worried about, but you will be out of here. Oh, like, you will be out of here by tomorrow. So it don't matter. What you mean? Bitch, my landlord gonna write all that shit. I already text them, so don't wait. Don't worry. I'm on your ass. Get off of it.
Y'all, get in here, check man. Y'all are bathed in the house.
Oh, no, stay out there. Go ahead, play, roll around, dirty. Since we want to intervene while we disciplining and all that shit, him, don't listen to him. It don't matter. It don't matter.
Just don't go in the street, okay? Thank you.
Shut the fuck up. I'm not bothering you. I was testing my kids. Stop trying to make it seem like I fuck with you. I don't fuck with you, bitch. Y'all gonna get him and let him stay at your shit. It is. Come get this and have him stay at your shit. Simple as that. It's got so much to say about you, but fuck you mean? They hate I got with you. What the fuck? Angel.
The big 2883.
I don't give a fuck about them people. You're next. You're next.
100% injury.
You're next. Don't worry. I already done told you that you was not gonna play with you. You ain't outside. No, I'm talking about my landlord. I'm talking about the landlord. I'm talking about the landlord. Bitch, my nigga. And when he come to my house, you ain't gotta do shit on him. You ain't gonna do shit on him. You ain't gonna do shit on him. What you mean? What you mean? I wish you would. You gonna have bullet holes all in your body. What you mean? You don't worry. He will. He on the way. Don't worry. You gonna be shot the fuck up. I ain't pushing you out the way this time. I ain't getting hit for you this time. Your ass gonna get tore the fuck up. So touch him if you want to. Come close to him if you want to. You gonna be zipped up in the body bag. Oh well, we gonna see. Make sure I'm extra loud too for you. Yeah, getting painted right in front of your bitch ass. Right in front of you. Right in front of your bitch ass.
Right, right in that bitch.
What you mean?
Oh, y'all can run that bitch right. Over here.
Show your ass.
I will show you too.
You ain't gonna show shit.
Why, what's up?
Is he? They pressing charges.
Hey,
They trying to see what they gonna do.
What?
They trying to see what's gonna happen. So they
Who is that?
her people.
Her people?
Her mom and brothers and stuff.
Her mom, who never took care of her, didn't take care of her, don't give a f about her, got 2 empty rooms, won't let her daughter come stay with her. Yeah, her mom. Tell her mama come get her. And bet not now one of them bet not come to my house so they gonna get their ass beat. On my mama. On her head. Better tell you, come get this shit. But none of them better not come to my shit. I'ma slap 5 from them. Get out that bathroom. Well, stop touching whatever you touch.
No, I got it.
You already did the paperwork? You already she charged and everything?
Yeah, but we're working on it. I'm gonna have a paper for you in a minute.
I'm not asking for that. I was asking if, is it possible if the people who she on the phone with right now, if they can come pick her up and give her shit. Oh, well, that's fine. I don't give a fuck regardless. I don't give a fuck regardless. I was asking. Since they just making up their own rules as they go, I was just wondering. And you keep saying no reason. It's the reason why I'm gonna show you tomorrow. Why it's gonna be no reason. It's not no reason. My shit keep getting fucked up in here. 2 TVs are broke. It don't matter. It's a reason. Talk some no reason. I put everything in this house. It is a reason. Exactly why I'm fired up. Keep saying there's no reason. Go get a job in your own shit and then let me come fuck it up.
As officers continue speaking with the woman, another deputy approaches the children's father and roommate of
Under
the
Florida Statute 741.31, willfully violating an injunction for protection against domestic violence constitutes a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in jail. The threats made here, you're going to be zipped up in a body bag, meet Florida's assault definition. An intentional, unlawful threat coupled with apparent ability and creating well-founded fear. Florida Statute 901.15 authorized the deputy's warrantless arrest for a misdemeanor committed in his presence. The deputy had both authority and legal obligation to enforce the court order. The deputy's de-escalation approach, offering voluntary departure, explaining consequences clearly, providing 10 to 15 minutes to gather belongings, reflects modern best practices while maintaining enforcement authority. His warning was specific. If you look at him, if you say anything to him, if you text him, you go to jail. This eliminated any claim of misunderstanding should violations occur. Florida law interprets contact broadly direct, indirect, through third parties, visual contact, and any communication form. The deputy's explanation ensured clear knowledge of these restrictions.
roommate of the woman to hear his side of what happened.
So we're going to go back to what happened in our presence with the statements that she made. What exactly was she saying?
She was basically saying like I choked her and dragged her out of the bathroom.
No, not that part.
That night?
Yeah, and regarding the other.
Today or the other night?
Today.
Okay, just basically.
About a few months ago.
Oh, then she gonna get her boyfriend. Whenever y'all leave, he gonna come deal with me. And me and him already had an incident, so me and him he had an incident where he came over here because of her and shot at me in front of my kids and all that. And they did an investigation, but she didn't want to press charges. They had a call.
Okay, but what happened with that? Because you said he shot at you.
Yeah, he shot at me, but ended up shooting her.
How did that happen?
Because I guess he closed his eyes. Like, okay, so me and him, I was right here. He closed his eyes and was shooting, and she was probably like, "Where you at?" And I guess when she ran, I guess 3 of them hit her in the leg.
Okay.
And he took off running.
And then the statement she was making a little bit ago.
That's by him saying, because she know that I don't like her. And she think I'm scared of her because she got a gun, so that's why she said that. She been saying this for like weeks to me.
But what was she saying?
Well, she gonna get him to come do me. I'm gonna get dead in tonight. I'm gonna get put in a casket. Basically, he gonna come shoot me with his gun and beat me up.
Okay.
She gonna have her boyfriends who come beat me up and stuff.
Okay.
And I'm scared because I got my kids here. I don't got no weapons, so we gotta stay here. I gotta be in fear of my kids.
Hey guys, watch your back.
She's saying all this to me.
To be clear, you are in fear of your
life. Yes. Because my
and
kids, I feel my life and my kids, because he already shot at me once. And then you threatened me saying you finna go get him to shoot at me again. And you doing all this in front of the kids like I ain't their dad.
Okay. Do you have anything else you want to add for me?
Besides, I need some help. Besides, I think other stuff like BCL, but that's about it. As far as that is, yeah, man, because I've been dealing with this for the longest. Like just yesterday, I told the other officer, I was like, but whatever I can do. They kept telling me, oh, we can't do nothing. I'm like, okay, I ain't had the papers and stuff. And she come home day on the same stuff again.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, so this is the case information sheet, okay? I'm not done. I need you to initial here. And put my pen down.
For what?
Don't resist.
Let me get my purse, please.
Yes.
Why y'all arresting me?
I will tell you in a second. Stop. Face the car.
I'm the only one that paid the bill.
Stop moving.
Like, for real?
Stop.
Face the car and let her
So
do
when
what
I
she's
lose
doing.
my place, what the you gonna do then?
Crazy though.
I didn't even do anything wrong.
Alright, right now you're under arrest for domestic assault.
Assault?
Yes.
What the f did I do?
You threatened to have your boyfriend.
No, I
shoot up.
didn't. No, I did not.
It's
and
on
you
my
can,
body
yes,
cam.
it is.
Stop pulling
I
away from
did.
me. Let's
Look,
go.
I did not threaten to have nobody.
Walk
else.
to the
I
car.
said he's gonna come to the house.
Walk to the car.
Crazy. I didn't even. Sorry. I have no underwear on.
You don't need any jail. They're going to change you out anyways.
This crazy. Please.
Sit down.
Please.
Sit
I
down
cannot do
before
this.
I
I'm
make
gonna
you
lose
sit
my
down.
job. I'm gonna lose everything.
Sit down before I make you sit down.
Bro, I don't. He
Put your
has
feet in the car.
something.
Sit in the car.
Put your
I'm
feet
gonna
in the
lose
car right
everything.
now.
Please. Put him in. This crazy. Are you serious?
Sit back.
And I called y'all. This ridiculous. Really?
The woman was arrested for domestic assault and resisting an officer without violence. She was given a restraining order to stay away from the father, but 2 days after her release from jail, she returned to the house to collect her belongings.
Yes, ma'am.
So I just got out of jail
I know.
and I called for a peace officer so I can get my shit out of my house where this is my lease. And
It's your home?
yes, my home. He's not on the lease at all. I just called my landlord to come up here so we can go ahead and get this shit situated because this is housing. He's not even supposed to be here. So this shit's gonna happen quick as hell. But the fact that I literally have one, this is what, you know what I'm saying?
Do me a favor, miss. I read the notes. I see that you were arrested yesterday. You know that there's a protection order against you, right?
No.
Yeah, so coming back here, you're to be arrested.
But I'm here. I'm right here. I'm not at
Miss,
the.
listen to me. Listen to me.
But I called a peace
Listen to
officer.
me. Listen. You gonna listen?
Yes.
Just hear me out. Okay? I'm not interested in arresting you, but I will. All right? That's not what I'm interested in. What I'm interested in is making sure this gets resolved peacefully. But as you understand, under a hood, under the Housing Act, they're going to put you out too because you have him living here. So by contacting them, you just did it to yourself.
No, because he already knows the situation.
No, you're not listening. You're not listening. I have to fill out the paperwork now, attach it to that. It gets sent up to the HUD Housing Authority. They come back and they remove you. So you got to be careful with burning your own bridges. Had you just waited for me.
So now
I
we
would've
all
walked
finna
up.
get put out because
Listen.
you're not supposed to be here.
Listen,
Well, okay, well take your kids.
listen, don't get yourself arrested. Here's what I will say to you. As long as you're peaceful, there's not going to be an arrest, okay? But no, you can't talk to him, you can't look at him, because the judge signed an order saying that you cannot even look at him. Do you understand that? So hopefully they gave it to you when you left the jail, but the minute you look at him,
They didn't give me any paperwork but stuff on my property.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, it's in there. It's in there.
No, they didn't give me any
And what I'm
paperwork
telling you is they
after.
served it to you right there.
No, they didn't know what I'm telling you. Usually when this is what happened. And again, everything was support proceeding. They told me after they told me my bond, after the judge told me I'm not going to touch your bond. I don't know. They had me explaining whatever. But then when I walked out, usually they walk us to the room with 3 people sitting at a desk, 1 over here. You go to this one first and you go to the 3 people.
So I'm just going to tell you, I'm not worried about any of that. What's on my computer says to arrest you.
Okay.
All right? I'm not worried about what happened in court. I'm just telling you, it says in there that you were advised and warned about coming back here. Now, what I will tell you is that the statute allows me to give you 10 to 15 minutes to gather some belongings to leave. But if you look at him, you go to jail. If you say anything to him, you go to
Well,
jail.
can he be out?
But you got to listen to me. If you text him, you go to jail. That's third-party contact.
STS 11050.
Don't do it.
Grade 4.
All right? You got 3 more cars getting ready to pull up. They're not going to be as kind to you as I am. You hear me? The deputy arrested you yesterday is on the way. All right? So I just want to suggest that you mind your manners, do as I tell you, and you'll leave here peacefully.
Okay.
All right? Where's your shoes?
In the house, I have nothing.
This is all you went with?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Do me a favor. Just stand in the shade there. Don't look at him. Go ahead and pop it. It should be popped for you. Just don't break nothing in there. It's right there. Yeah. Sit right there on top of those boxes. There you go. You keep that one with you? What type of charger do you need for your phone? Is it charged?
Yeah, but it cuts on and off. That's why I'm going to Walmart to get a
Okay. I don't think that Walmart's open anymore, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me just look in the bag and shoot out the weapons you're gonna hurt me with. Go ahead, open it up. Okay, cool. I'm not worried about any of that. So make sure you don't have any knives. Okay. All right. Make sure you put the seatbelt on, okay?
Okay.
Morning.
The lead deputy receives an A- for exceptional de-escalation, clear legal communication, and professional enforcement despite verbal aggression. Minor deduction for unclear resisting charge documentation. The subject receives an F. Despite multiple warnings and voluntary compliance opportunities, she made violent threats and violated the protective order in the deputy's presence. Key lessons. Court orders supersede property rights. No contact means zero contact, visual, verbal, or indirect. Officers must balance de-escalation with firm boundary enforcement. For citizens under protective orders, violation consequences are immediate and criminal. Use legal channels, police, supervise civil standbys to retrieve property. Never return independently.
Thank
Let me
you.
give you a card so you have that. Are you going to go back there this weekend?
Yeah, and I just left my work shoes, but I could send a third party over there, right?
You can do that. No, no, it says no third-party contact. You may be able to, if he's willing to help. I mean, I don't know if he's going to be. He's mad about that hat. So, but I'm not going to get in an argument over a hat. Yeah, you do your thing. Figure out. I mean, if you can do it, then it can be done peacefully. And I guess so, as long as he's not going to beat him up or something happens to someone going over there. I would strongly suggest that you wait until Friday or Saturday. That's me. Tell them that I'm familiar with the situation. Let them know you were arrested for battery, but you don't want to go back there because there's a no contact order. And I told you that you'd be able to come back there for about 10 to 15 minutes to pick up some more belongings.
Okay.
All right? And then we'll do it that way. Or you can try the other way. I just don't know how he's going to react.
Okay.
Because he got hostile. He was chasing after us as I was pulling out. He was mad over that hat. I don't know what else is missing, but he was mad. You didn't see him chasing us? Yeah.
Thank you.
Good luck. Yes, ma'am.
She was taken into custody and charged with assault and resisting an officer without violence. If convicted, she could face up to 1 year in jail and $1,000 in fines. She is innocent until proven guilty.
Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.